Meghan Markle was born on 4th of August 1981 in Los Angeles, California, to Tom Markle and Doria Redland. She is an actress and a model of America. She became really famous for her role of Rachel Zane in a famous series Suits. She has appeared in many TV series with guest roles or as a lead artist. Biography and early life. Meghan Markle was raised in Conga Park, Los Angeles, where she lived with her father Tom Markle and her mother Doria Redland. Her parents separated when she was just 6 years old. She was quite close to her mother. Meghan is of mixed race, as her mother is African American and her father is European American. Age, height, weight and body measurement. So how old is Meghan Markle in 2021 and what is her height and weight? Well, Meghan Markle's age is 40 years old as of today's date, 21st September 2021, having been born on 4 August 1981. She is a 5 feet 5 inches and 168 centimeters tall. She weighs about 112 in pound and 51 kg in kilograms. Her eye color is brown and hair color is black. Education. Meghan is an educated lady. She started her education at Hollywood Little Red Schoolhouse till the age of 11. Later on, she completed her high school studies at Immaculate Heart High School, which was the only girls' school. After that, she was admitted to Northwestern University in 1999, and then she completed her graduation from there itself. Personal life, dating, boyfriends, husband, kids. She was in a relationship with Trevor Engelson, an American film producer. They decided to get married to each other in 2011, but in 2013, due to some of their personal problems, they took divorce and got separated from each other. She was later seen with Corey Vitello, a celebrity chef and a restaurateur. They were in a relationship for almost 2 years until they decided to get separated in 2016. Later in the same year, 2016, she was seen with Prince Harry. Meghan decided to leave her acting career and keep herself away from all these, as she was going to be a member of the royal family. Their engagement was announced on 27 November 2017. She has applied for British citizenship, but there are a lot of rules and regulations which she needed to follow strictly before getting British citizenship. She was highly involved in politics way before her marriage. She was seen supporting the Democratic Party in the 2016 presidential election of the US. She was highly disappointed with the loss of Hillary Clinton. Net worth, salary and earnings of Meghan Markle in 2021. As of 2021, her current net worth is $55 million. She left her career way before that time. She could have achieved a lot more success than what she is now. Most of her wealth is from the famous series Suits, in which she has worked for 7 seasons. Now she is a member of the royal family, so she does not have to be worried about wealth. Everything we know about the home where Prince Harry and Meghan Markle are raising their kids. Ever since Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's shocking royal exit last year, the couple have been happily making themselves at a home in Montecito, California. Now, in addition to their son Archie the Duck and Duchess, Sussex have an adorable new resident occupying another bedroom in their $14.7 million mega mansion, their newborn daughter. On June 6, Harry and Meghan announced the arrival of their.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.